Today, we're diving into a mind-blowing battle, the 5 biggest germs versus the 5 smallest germs on Earth. But here's the twist. Some of these big germs are actually visible to the naked eye, while the smallest ones, millions of them, could fit on the tip of a needle. We're talking about size, power, survival abilities, and the shocking ways they impact your life every single day. And trust me, number one on both sides will completely change how you see the microscopic world forever. Let's shrink down and begin. Starting with number 5 on the biggest side. Epulopicium fischelsoni. This giant germ lives inside fish, and compared to normal bacteria, it's absolutely massive. It can grow up to 0.6 millimeters long. That might sound small, but for a germ, that's enormous. Instead of being simple, it behaves more like a complex organism. It carries thousands of copies of its DNA, allowing it to function efficiently at such a large size. And here's the shocking part. Most germs divide into 2, but this one gives birth to live offspring inside itself. It's not just big, it's completely rewriting the rules of microscopic life. At number 4, Thiomargarita namiensis. Also known as the sulfur pearl, this germ can grow up to 0.75 millimeters, making it visible to the naked eye. It lives deep in ocean sediments and feeds on sulfur. What makes it fascinating is how it survives. It stores nutrients inside a massive internal chamber, allowing it to live in extreme, oxygen-poor environments. It's like a survival expert waiting silently beneath the ocean floor. At number 3, Thiomargarita magnifica. This one shocked the entire scientific world. It can grow up to 2 centimeters long. Yes, centimeters. That's about the size of a peanut for a single germ. Unlike typical bacteria, it has internal compartments similar to more complex cells. It breaks almost every rule scientists believed about bacteria. This isn't just a big germ, it's redefining what life at this scale can be. At number 2, Spirostomum. A giant single-celled organism that can reach up to 4 millimeters in length. But size isn't its only power. If threatened, it can contract its entire body in milliseconds, shrinking instantly like a spring snapping shut. It's fast, incredibly fast, a microscopic organism with lightning reflexes. And finally, number 1 on the biggest side, Stentor. This trumpet-shaped organism can grow up to 2 millimeters long, and it's far more advanced than it looks. It can heal itself. Cut it into pieces, and each piece can regenerate into a new organism. Even more fascinating, it shows signs of decision-making behavior, reacting differently depending on threats. This isn't just a germ, it's a glimpse into how intelligence may have started. Now, let's move to the smallest side. At number 5, Mycoplasma genitalium, one of the smallest bacteria capable of surviving on its own. It measures around 200 to 300 nanometers. What makes it incredible is its simplicity. It carries only the essential genes needed for life, nothing extra. It's like the most basic version of a living organism. At number 4, Nanoarchaeum equitans. This tiny germ can't survive alone. It attaches itself to another organism and depends on it completely. At around 400 nanometers, it lives like a parasite, stealing what it needs to survive. It's survival at its most extreme form. At number 3, Carsonella rudi. This one pushes the limits of life itself. It has one of the smallest genomes ever discovered. So small, scientists still debate whether it should even be considered alive. It depends almost entirely on its host. It's less of an independent organism and more like a living fragment. At number 2, Pelagobacter ubique. one of the most abundant organisms on Earth. Trillions of them exist in oceans around the world. They are incredibly small, about 120 to 200 nanometers. Yet they play a massive role in regulating Earth's carbon cycle. Tiny, but essential for life on this planet. And finally, number 1 on the smallest side, viruses. Some are as small as 20 nanometers. That means millions of them could fit inside a single cell. But here's the twist. They're not even fully alive. They can't reproduce on their own. They hijacked other cells to survive. Yet despite their size, they are among the most powerful biological forces on Earth. They can destroy entire populations or help control harmful bacteria. Tiny, but unstoppable.